okay?
Okay.
I find how excellent adventure to buy a washing machine.
This is why we're going to buy a washing machine. This is how
Laundry
Lucy
day.
washes every week. Well, here we are at the electrical appliance store.
I don't know.
This is the range to choose from. I've got TVs, fans, rice cookers, microwaves, all sorts of things. Quick look around.
Big rice cookers. Oh, little ovens. They're microwave, aren't they? Yeah. Big rice cooker.
For restaurant.
Yeah. Our house.
This is the one that Mercy chose. So, twin tub. As you notice, the plastic. All washing machines are plastic. That I've seen anyway. This is the side that you wash, the side that you spin.
In the job test.
I've noticed that everything you buy, take it out of the box, plug it in, turn it on, make sure it works before you take it out. Which I think is a good idea. Let's have a quick look at the store. Not a very big store, but boy, they got some stock here. And there's another floor upstairs too. We also have to get a new wall fan for Ethan. Everybody's got to have a fan here in the Philippines. The good thing about washing machines being made from plastic is they're not hard to get home. As you can see, I was a bit concerned about how we were going to get this big box home. Mercy said, "Oh, no problem, on a trike." And I forgot. They're multi-purpose vehicles, trucks, and do everything. And yes, I sat behind the driver as a pillion on the way home. Couldn't fit in the trike section. We all went out to Edward's Milk Tea restaurant for chicken wings.
And that chicken wing bar.
The gang's all here.
AC/DC.
Your favorite band. Aanin natin yan.
Look what I spotted on the wall.
Things you see in the Philippines.
Here's what I'm having, spicy buffalo wings. And they were really good too. Well, we had a wonderful meal. It was great to be out and amongst people again. As a group, as a family. Don't forget to like and comment, subscribe if you want to. See you all next time.